J-Clik Force poster-board installation. First thing you do is to measure the lower clicker, the 5, how big are the holes present. I measure in millimeters, so it's 16. So I need to do 2 steps on my step drill. Like that. Then I take the poster clicker as it comes prepared, release it, put the clicker back with the lock plate facing outwards, put it together, release the tape for the nut, hold it up while I put the nut in place with my hand, tighten it in the right direction, release the hook, take the angular correction so I know that it's 90 degrees always comes out, tightening tool, and just tighten as much as I can, like that. And then I put the hook back. And the lower poster clicker is then done. For the side clickers, it's a little bit different. You have to take out the glass fiber rod and the whole composite rectangular piece, because you need to replace the hooks like this. So to replace the old with the new, you use the present 1-inch plate that is on place, because you need to move the holes 1/2 inch. So you can use the 1-inch plate and you just mark where they should be. You remove the old ones and you aim for that line to be in center with the holes. Like that. So now it's actually ready just to put the clicker on, the side clicker, to put it on the rod. However, we have made a sort of an optional thing, which is a chain, stainless steel chain, which we also passivate, 316L also. So you don't, because this one is not attached to it. This one is loose, and there might be a risk of losing it. So we have prepared this with an eye bolt, an eye nut, and an eye bolt onto the clicker box. So you can actually drill a hole and attach it here. So you can sort of take out the clicker box and it won't fall down and hurt someone or something. And then you tighten it, and the clicker box, of course, with the handle towards you, goes on like that. And then it's safe.